Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, it's a guy I'm Wiki FX. On today's strategy, I'm not going to do anything about indicator setup. I'm just going to do a little technical analysis and show you guys how I analyze my market to send signal to my people. Okay, so it's going to be very simple and understanding. This is VIX 75. Okay, this is VIX 75. So I'm going to show you guys everything, my trend line, my support and resistance zone, what always give me the confidence to take the trade and send the signal to others. Okay, like on Saturday I was not active. Yesterday and Saturday, this is it. For example, like what make me this on Saturday, first signal was to buy this particular trade VIX 75. We bought it, and then this is what we got. We got this, you can see it. Okay, so what make me to change the signal says sell VIX 75 on. We bought this particular based on, what was the time, 10:22 on one something, one what, okay, 10:22. Let me check. On 3:31 we sell it. I think I'm making a mistake. This is it. On 1:43 we sell it. This is it. We sell and we got this. Now you can see it. How it goes. What make me to change the market direction? When we were selling and we make a little profit, and I saw the market direction that is going to change. I saw that it's going to change, and I just tell everybody to switch to sell, and boom, we just do that and it happened. If you want to be part of us, you can join a free Telegram channel. You see it. I drop free signal. This is my free signal. This is my free signal. VIX 25 1S. We were clean that day. My free signal was fucking clean, bro. Is it on 12 o'clock, and boom, we got this, the low, like the smallest like lot size, like 0.005, got almost $40 profit. You can see it. We are not joking here. $30 something profit from 0.005, and it was a free signal. So just join us. Like today, I'm willing to send a free signal. I'm still on my analysis, waiting for my setup to happen. We have two powerful setup now. VIX 25 1S and VIX boom 300. We are going to send the free signal here. Okay. So let me go back to my chart and explain a little what always make me to take the trade. If unfortunate we get any chance, we are going to scalp, we are going to trade the market. Okay, let's go back to daily time frame. You can see I zoom my screen like this. With this, I'm not using any PC to analyze my market. I use my mobile phone. Okay, so when I zoom my market like this, I can see what is happening in the market. You can see it. I can see what is happening in the market. Okay, so when you see like this, you know what is the next step to do. So you go to your 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, you can see it. The market structure, the market pressure is just mixed, so we cannot decide on a particular thing to do now. Okay, you go to the step. I'm so sorry. You go to 1 hour time frame. You can zoom like this and you see what is going on. You can see it here. You can see how this goes now. You can see Okay, this is just a simple technical analysis I'm just doing. What I do to sense my signal. My people can confirm that my signal is always massive on profit. You can see how the market looks now. Very simple structure. Very simple structure that show you that the market is going to pull back. You can see the place I place my resistance line. You can see that markets usually push from that point. The place I place this particular line, markets usually push back from that point. Okay, so with that, I'm going to drop my TP at this point and my XL at this point. Give a little space for it. It's going to take from that point 0.005. It may take $8 or $9. But if you want to use the smallest lot size, which is 0.001, it's not going to take up to $2 for 1 point something. Okay, so as you backtest, you can see it. Backtest, you can see it. That market usually push back from that point. So what will you do before you take the entry? You wait for it to push back to that particular region, then you sell from that point. You sell from that point, and let me zoom it. You can see it. You can see what happens there all the time. So what you do at this particular point, you wait for it to push back to that point, then dropping back, you take the entry on the 30 minutes time frame. Let's zoom. You can see it. You can see what's happening there. You can see that this is a break. This is a break of structure here. This is a break of structure at this point. For example, if you want to draw your trend line in a smallest way, it goes this way. It goes this way. You can see how it looks. So what you do is you wait for it to reach this particular region. I draw my line because it may push back to that region. Then it may break. So sorry, let me use this so that I can understand. It may break. Gosh, the line is too much. It may break this point here. Then pull back a little to here, to that level, then send it down. So that's why I'm dropping my line at here, and then my SL at this point, because it may decide to pull back a little, like from here to this point, before it's sent down. So that's how we do to get a good and a nice entry. So that is how to analyze your market with just simplest way. I'm just showing in the simplest way without looking for too much market candlestick pattern names and all that. Very simple way. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame. You can still see that's what I said. It's happened frequently. It's like my analysis is not joking here. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. 1 hour. This was the place I placed my, you can see it. Okay, so let's go to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You can see that the market is trying to push up. It's trying to push up. Yeah, you can see it's trying to push up. So it's going to reach the particular point I said, which is this region. This is this region. And then send down. This may be your TP1, TP2, and TP3 will be somewhere here. If you want to target up to 3 positions, TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay. Let me put the first TP so that you understand. This TP1, TP2 and TP3. Then you make the market. Let me check step in this one. Let me analyze the market again and show you the same thing. This daily time frame, you can see how the market is looking. You can see it very clear. It's look. So with this, what do you think that the market is going to do? Some people may sell. Some people may just decide it. If you don't know what you're doing, you just decided to sell from that point or you buy. It depends. If when you see the market, your first thought was to sell. I don't know whether you may sell, but for me, I cannot sell from this region. I'll wait for it to go back to a place that I know that the entry is going to be very nice for me, and it's not going to take at least, it's not going to take more than $8 or 10. I don't like my Excel to pass $10 because if you pass $10, that is too much. On my trade, anytime I drop a signal, my Excel don't pass $10. At least 9, 10. That is too much for myself. 9, 10. I normally use my Excel to be 5, 6, 7, 8. That is like that VIX and like VIX 25 on ACE we trade on Saturday was to take $4 from us, and it did not even retest up to 1 point something. It started selling without going back. So that's why I like to analyze my market and keep ahead, so that I can know what is going to happen next. When I analyze it and keep ahead, I will monitor the market. I will not just jump into the market at the time I just open my chart. That is not what I do. I will monitor it and wait for it to reach my condition and my conference zone before I know what to do. Okay, so on this particular region here, I cannot sell and I cannot buy. Why? Because I don't really know what is going to happen at this point. I need to analyze the market and have an idea. If it eventually it happened, I meet it here, I supposed to sell from that point. Why would I sell? Why would I say so? Yeah, I've shown me the market structure very well. That place have shown me the market structure very well, and we can see this particular candlestick that pushed the market down is this one. It's pushed the market down. That is a particular candlestick, and it retests the points here. That's supposed to give you the nice entry. So it takes the point at that point. It retests it, and we can see even though that it dropped and pushed back, the market respects this particular candlestick. So that is the candlestick that will give me the mind for me to sell if I meet it at this point. Okay, this is the candlestick that will give me the mind to sell if I meet it at this point. So I'll just sell, then drop my Excel at this region. My Excel will be at here. God, so sorry guys. So let me drop my Excel at this region. From here to here, it's not going to 0.0 and 0.1 is not going to take up to $10 from here to here. It's not going to take. Okay, so that is it. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. I'm just giving out a very good tips on how to analyze your market and see the market direction with your naked eyes. That's the tips I'm giving. Okay, let's zoom it this way. How do you see at that point? We can see that here. Can see at this point. My first mind is supposed to be like buying this market. That's what I'm supposed to do, buying this market. I'm not going to sell this particular market. I'm going to buy it. If it happened with trade with my people today, I'm going to buy it, but I don't know. I've already have to set up, so in case it just meets my entry, I may buy it and we go. So what I will do first, I will buy this market, and if I buy this market, this should be my TP1. This should be my TP1, and my Excel will be at this point. That will be my Excel. And TP1 here. Then TP2 Yeah, while we are taking TP2, I will bring my LCL up to this level. Okay, so that is how I trade my market. Very simple, very simple. Okay, let me go to 1 minute time frame. Let me bring this down, guys. Okay, you can see, even though you by yourself, you see how the market looks. Like, it looks very nice. You can see how it looks very nice. It looks like a buy market in your eyes, so you can see it. It's not something like you are going to sell from this point. If you sell from this point and it goes your way, whoa, just your chance. But with the naked technical analysis, this is a buy market. I don't want this video to be quite long. I think I'm doing too long. So let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour show you the market structure. That is a buy structure. So 30 minutes still show you that it's a buy structure. Very clean buy. Yes, it's a very clean buy structure. So let's go to 15 minutes. You can see it's going to buy. I'm just doing this particular setup, like this particular video, not for boom and crash only. I'm just want to do a video about clean technical analysis. Okay, it has been long I did this kind of video, so I just decided to do it today. Now, okay, you can see that the market is going to buy. You can see it by yourself. Whoa, this trend line. Okay, example, like, that's it. Very clean, bro. Very clean, bro. That's it. Very clean, bro. It's going to buy, not play. I think I'm going to buy this particular space pace now. I think I'm going to buy it. Let me wait for what I'm expecting to happen, then we go into a buy. Okay, so it's very powerful. It's very nice when you know how to trade the market with your naked eyes and without any help of anybody, without waiting too much for anybody to drop a signal. So I'll leave my WhatsApp number and my free Telegram channel link on the description of this video. If you want to know how to trade the market perfect with your naked eyes, you can contact me. Let's grow together. You can see it. We are not playing here. We are making cool money. So just contact me. Let's grow together and make funds together. Okay, this is a profitable group, not a group that you just come and waste your time. We are profitable. We trade every day. Yesterday I was just kind of busy, so today as I'm back, we trade every day. You can see it. We trade every day. No single day we are not trading, and we are making profits. We are making profits on a daily basis. So just join us. Let's grow together, guys. Join us. Let's grow together. Okay, just listen to what I'm saying first and apply it in your demo with try to analyze the market the way I did in your demo, and then when you reach the particular point that I say you should take the entry, and the way I drop my SL, TP, everything, you take the entry and just take everything and bring testimony to me. Guys, just comment your testimony and also share this video. Okay, I'm expecting you guys in my free Telegram channel. Okay, see you guys in my next video.